Let's see if you remember. Down here my burden's heavy, and the road is rough and long. Sometimes my feet get weary and so sore, but a brighter day is coming. Soon I'll rest on heaven's shore, and I won't have to worry anymore. Oh, I won't have to worry when I reach the other shore. All my trials will be over, and I'll rest forevermore. My eyes will be on Jesus, and my heart will be aglow, and I won't have to worry anymore. Someday when life is all over and I've said my last goodbyes, I'll see my Savior standing